All right, so I got my neutral bundle, my ground pigtail. I got two hots because I got my hot and I'm passing power to the outlets. And then I got my load up to the light fixture. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a jumper for the neutrals. I'm actually going to get my neutrals made up here a little bit before I land the pigtail. Make my life easier in just a moment. Start with landing my ground. Land my neutral. Strip it back a little bit farther. Land my hots. I got my hot, and then I'm passing power to the outlets. The universal backplate does have two terminations on the hot, so I can skip the wire nut and the pigtail for that. Make sure we have them in there. Put those in. Can land my load wire. A little bit on the makeup. Fold them in. Press them up. We can do our screws. Get it nice and aligned before we send them in. Nice and flush around all the edges. And snap on our faceplate. Single pole installation complete.